The SHP-2000-40G is an ultrasonic cleaning system designed for industrial applications. It uses dual-frequency ultrasonic technology to create microscopic captivation bubbles that thoroughly clean even the most intricate surfaces. The heated ultrasonic tank with a 40-gallon capacity is controlled through a touchscreen HMI interface, ensuring precise temperature, ultrasonic power, and a cycle timing. This system ensures optimal cleaning performance with a typical cycle time of 7 to 9 minutes, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. A power lift supports up to 500 pounds, enabling easy loading and unloading of parts. It includes agitation to dislodge debris during cleaning. The tank uses dual-frequency ultrasonic captivation to clean intricate surfaces with a 40-gallon capacity and a 5,000-watt heater. It maintains precise cleaning temperatures. Filters remove oils and debris from the fluid, with the Weir tank separating contaminants and recycling clean liquid back into the ultrasonic tank. A touchscreen interface manages temperature, ultrasonic power, lift functions, and timing. Safety features include automatic shutoffs for low fluid levels and overheating. A stainless steel ball valve allows quick draining, and replaceable filters and sediment screens simplify maintenance. Some key features of the SHP-2000-40G is a power lift mechanism capable of holding up to 500 pounds, a stainless steel filtration system, and a robust heating system. For further questions, check out our website at SharperTek.com.